E-bike na perfect para sa mga strong and independent single. Mas pinalakas at pinagaan kaya mas swak sa inyong comfortable and unforgettable ride. Ito na ang NXT ZP Lithium. Ang naging favorite ninyo na ZP, may upgraded version na. Kaya mas komportable at mas masayang adventure. Powered by lithium, kaya mas panalo ang mga road trip at mas pinagaan, kaya panalo ang mga pangmalakasan at malayong biyahe. With removable battery na pwedeng i-charge sa bahay. Astig pa din ang features ng NXT ZP Lithium, pero mas magana ito. Battery na 48 volts, 25 ampere, 500 watts motor. With range from 25 to 35 kilometers, with speed of 25 to 35 kilometers per hour, with capacity of 150 kilos, charging time of 6 to 8 hours. Meron din itong digital display, hydraulic shock absorber, powerful motor, brushless motor, straight seat, with big compartment, and available in 4 different colors. NXT ZP Lithium comes with the following warranty: 1 year on motor, 6 months for charger, battery, and controller. For trust-driven mobility, NXT e-bike, test your one today.